वो प्रोड्यूसर भी नहीं बल्कि एक प्राउड फादर भी है ऑफ अ वेरी टैलेंटेड एक्टर
and handsome and single.
देखिए आप मौका मिलता नहीं है आप अच्छा जब तक वो नहीं आया था तब तक मुझसे ये बात कह रही थी बट नाउ दैट ही इज हियर
emergency and any sort of problem that we would face. And we hope that we don't face anything. So
के साथ उनकी मदर भी यहाँ पे है मिसेस बगरानी का भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत वेलकम मैम एंड थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस फॉर सच अ ग्रेट शो सो मलिका जितनी एक्साइटमेंट यहाँ पे लोगों को हो रही है उतनी एक्साइटमेंट बैक स्टेज पे भी है कि आगे के कार्यक्रम
all at one go, yeah. Send the call question. Boom निकालो, bites कर ले अरुण जी. She's coming now. Okay, wait for her. Yeah. हाँ. हाँ. Shivani, why don't you join them outside if you're ready?
I'm ready. Are come? Take the pictures.
How much is give me 5 minutes? Come, please join. We'll wait for her for the bites to happen. Silence now, everyone. Are you ready, all?
Okay, rolling.
Amy, they all are looking lovely. कितना challenging था non-models जो अभी सब models लग रहे हैं. We can't really even tell. What do you have to say about the whole preparation?
Well, it's been just an amazing teamwork. Firstly, तो मैंने ये show सिर्फ और सिर्फ मनीषा आंटी के लिए किया है because she is almost like family. She has been wearing my clothes for more than 2 decades, I guess. And you know, so this show is actually dedicated to Manisha aunty.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and the models are just looking lovely. I'm going to call them models because they are not my real life brides, but they're actual models today. And a very big thank you to Shakir because he's groomed them up so amazingly well that today when they're walking, it's just going to look as if models are walking. And my dearest friend Shibani Kashyap, the rock star, who's going to perform. Specially, she's woken up in the morning and come for me. And also Sandeep Soparkar, very, very big thank you. So I'm just so excited.
Amy, the jewelry is also looking lovely. Imagine what went into put up the whole show together. What
Actually, Shilpi and Priya, they have designed such amazing stuff, and without coordination, we have done the looks in about 5 minutes. So hats off to their jewelry. It's very stunning. Everyone is appreciating them, and I think that's what dressing up as a bride is all about. It's about coordinating your look, your hair, your makeup. Yatin has done the most amazing looks for hair and makeup, and I think today what we've done, Meghna, my hairdresser, amazing stuff. The whole teamwork is fabulous. My PR, Parul Chawla, thank you to all of you. I think this entire show is teamwork, and where there is amazing teamwork, I'm sure we're going to rock.
Amy, there's always a theme to your show. So today, as Manisha ji just said, there's complete, everybody's excited. So what is the whole concept today behind, are they young brides or what
They are all to be brides. And it's so much fun dressing up youngsters because they are so creative, they are so at it, and they have so much of zest. And they are at everything, like my hair and my makeup and my this. And they've really practiced a lot. They've put in so much of hard work. I think it's all going to show on the ramp. So just let's wait for the show to begin.
I would like to ask you what has gone into dressing up, feeling like a model. क्या लग रहा है आपको? What are
Every single thing has been handled by them. We said we just gave ourselves up. Do what you want to do,
So
and
how
we're
does
ready.
it feel to be,
आज मेरी बहू नहीं लग रही आज मुझे
आपने बता दिया नहीं तो हम तो मॉडल समझ रहे हैं. How do you feel being, dressing when you see fashion shows and
We're supposed to be brides. We feel like princesses. We've just stood out there and they've all gone zapped.
You know how it is? It's like we've picked up looks together. I have my friend who's a stylist, Josie. She's put up, like, everything is so well coordinated, my jewelry, my styling, my team who's helping backstage, my girls. I think it's just fabulous. You're going to rock.
Anybody else wants to share an experience today, how it has been to be a model and feel like anybody would want to add anything? Would you like to say something?
I think it's been really amazing. We have, as Kalash very rightly said, that we didn't have to do much. We just had to go with the flow because they have done all the hard work. And I think we have realized that, we look at models, the real life models, and we all just think, oh wow, they're so pretty and they roam around like dolls, but it's not true. You can't sit, you can't go to the washroom, you have to stand the way you have to stand. So I think, this is one of the way we all realize that everyone in every industry works really hard. And then it's because of that the entire show comes up so beautifully. So I think it's been a very nice experience. And the way we look at designers now and models now has really changed. I'm ready.
So what do you say about today's festival? Festival is completed. Are you here? Are you performing in the...
Yeah, I'm here to perform, and of course I'm a part of Amy Billimoria's team, and she's dressed me up, as you can see. I'm wearing her beautiful creation, and the jewelry is by this very talented designer called Shilpi. And I'm very proud to be a part of this Jhalakbari Mahila Mandal, because it is something which is very exemplary. It's about women. It's about celebrating being a woman. And I think all the women here are looking gorgeous. They're all going to be young brides. We celebrate womanhood, and of course 8th of March is going to be next month, and I want to already celebrate Women's Day today, International Women's Day.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Amy Billimoria's creation. It's a lehenga, and I never worn this kind of jewelry ever. I'm performing Aao Huzoor, Sajna Abhija and Radha on the dance floor, because I'm going to dedicate it to all the Radhas. There are lots of them. There are a lot of untitled films for which I have sung, and of course a lot of albums coming up. There's a song called Kama Sutra which is just released. Shaleen Bhanot, me and Taz from Stereo Nation just 2 days ago. So do go watch it on YouTube and enjoy it. Thank you. I have to go on stage.
Okay, just tweet all these pictures. Sandeep, taught them to network, ramp, pose, just see the show.
Sandeep, hi. What do you say about today's? Are you here and somebody is celebrating you?
मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए आया हूँ कि मेरी जो बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है एमी बिलिमोरिया, उनका शो होने वाला है। कपड़े हमेशा बहुत खूबसूरत रहते हैं। उन्होंने यहाँ कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट किया है, एंड आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं मैं भी कनेक्ट करता हूँ कि मेरी दादी जो थी वो गुजराती थी, तो थोड़ा बहुत खून उसका भी है। सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आना पड़ा क्योंकि दोस्त हैं और कहीं ना कहीं हमारी कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट करना है, तो डेफिनेटली वन हैज़ टू बी हियर।
और एमी बिलिमोरिया के जो कुछ फैशन शो आई थिंक होने वाला है, उसे कितना एंजॉय करने वाले हैं आज के?
एमी का हर शो जो हुआ है मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया। ये मेरा मेरे ख्याल से 10वां शो है मैं देखने वाला हूँ, तो उसके कपड़े बहुत खूबसूरत रहते ही हमेशा। और बट आई थिंक खास बात यह है कि आज जो मॉडल्स होने वाली हैं वो प्रोफेशनल जो मॉडल्स नॉर्मली लेती हैं एमी अपने शोज़ में, वो नहीं है, बल्कि ये कम्युनिटी से लड़कियां हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो स्पेशल, एंड दे आर लुकिंग लाइक प्रोफेशनल मॉडल्स। आई थिंक एमी की खासियत यही है कि वो हर कपड़ों को, हर लोगों को इतना खूबसूरत दिखा सकती है, और उसने आज यही करके दिखाया।